National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, Davidson County, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winston-Salem, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Winston-Salem and Clemens around 4 p.m. Lexington and Thomasville around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Arcadia, Pfafftown, Gordontown, Welcome, and Sedge Garden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Forsyth.